Castle 1721 4S challenge. It's gonna be my second pass. My first pass was 109, so I want to see. Track start. Is it connected? Tell me you connected. Let's go to stop, read, 0. Track, start. Show me some numbers. I don't even know if this thing is working. I don't have a lot of time on it. Well, it don't matter. I got other GPSs on there, so hopefully it reads. I don't see nobody right now. Look kind of clear. I think I'm lined up. It look clear out here, so look like I'm aimed towards the dirt though. So let's hurry. Let's see. Let's get this pass in. Seemed like I went out of range. Let's see if it read. Did it read? 109. 109 again. What the Garmin say? Garmin say 110. Look like I might be stuck at 110 for now. Maybe I ran out of signal. The Garmin say 110. Too.Rc 109, and there's a GPS on here, so we'll see what that one say too. But usually it'll all be around the same. All right, I got 2 4S's, some basher batteries, red going to red, black going to black. I don't know, but that is. Let's just take this off. That is 5 wires on there, 5 wires on there. So 4S 1721 2400 kV. Just 110. That's all I got. There's a 1 and a 0, 110, 109. Alright, same numbers. Let's see if we'll make some changes and get back out here next weekend. Alright, thanks everybody for watching, participating in the challenge. Let's have some fun. See how high we can run these numbers up. And I'll be checking out for everybody's videos so I can get the list, for all the people that participate, you know, so I'll be looking up for videos to see, you know, who's participating. I'll post a thing up on Facebook, and I'll be posting it up at the end of my videos, you know, so you can see the list and where everybody at. Every Monday, I'll be doing it on Mondays for Facebook. On my videos, it's just whenever I do my videos. If I got people participating, I'll post a list up in my videos too. All right, thanks. Like, comment, and subscribe. I'm out.